Kamusta? And welcome to Ethereal Focus. Kung napindot mo tong episode na to, chances are naranasan mo na rin to. Yung sasabihin mo sa sarili mo, check ko lang Facebook saglit, or may notification sa phone mo na yung favorite YouTuber mo ay nag-post ng bagong video. Tapos biglang 45 minutes na ang lumipas, nakapag-scroll ka na ng bad news, celebrity issue, random videos, memes, at kung ano-ano pa. Pagkatapos, mas pagod ka kaysa noong nagsimula ka. Mas anxious, mas distracted, at somehow hindi mo rin maalala kung ano ba talaga yung mga nakita mo. That's doom scrolling. At ngayon, pag-uusapan natin kung bakit tayo nahuhulog dito at kung paano natin unti-unting mababawi ang attention natin. Alam nyo, minsan naisip natin na kulang lang tayo sa discipline. Pero honestly, doom scrolling isn't really about weakness. It's about design. Most apps today are designed para manatili ka. The longer you stay, the better for them. Infinite scrolling, autoplay videos, notifications. Everything is competing for one thing, your attention. At ang problema, hindi natin napapansin kung gaano ka-valuable ang attention natin. Kasi every minute na binibigay natin sa random content, may minute na hindi natin na ibibigay sa sarili natin. Or sa goals, sa pamilya, sa pahinga, sa buhay natin in general. At napansin ko rin ito sa sarili ko. That's why I decided to make this content. May mga pagkakataon na bubuksan ko lang sana ang phone para mag-reply lang naman sa email. Then suddenly, nasa video na ako tungkol sa isang topic na wala namang connect sa araw ko. Parang nagising na lang ako after 30 minutes. And maybe you've experienced that too. So paano ba natin mababawasan ang doom scrolling? Hindi ko sasabing tanggalin mo lahat ng social media because most of us won't do that anyway. Pero here are the 3 simple things that actually help. Una, create friction. Kung gusto mong bawasan ang scrolling, huwag mong gawing madali. Tanggalin ang apps sa home screen, i-off ang unnecessary notifications, mag-log out ka din paminsan-minsan. The goal isn't to stop using them. The goal is to make you pause and ask, may purpose pa kung bakit ko bubuksan ito. Pangalawa, replace, don't just remove. Kasi kapag tinanggal mo lang ang scrolling, hahanap lang ulit ang utak mo ng distraction. So instead of saying, hindi ako magsa-social media, try saying, kapag bored ako, magbabasa ako ng 2 pages ng libro, or maglalakad lang ako ng 5 minuto, or mag-journal ako. Give your attention somewhere better to go. At pangatlo, ask this one question. What am I looking for right now? Information ba? Entertainment? Connection? Or escape? Minsan kasi hindi naman talaga tayo naghahanap ng content. Naghahanap tayo ng pahinga, naghahanap tayo ng comfort, or ng distraction sa stress. And once you become aware of that, mas madali kang makakapili ng mas intentional. So here's something I want you to remember. Doom scrolling doesn't steal your time all at once. It steals your life a few minutes at a time. 5 minutes here, 10 minutes there. Hanggang sa hindi mo na namamalayan kung gaano karami ang nawala. Your attention is one of the most valuable things you own. Protect it. Spend it wisely and don't give it away to things that don't deserve it. So for today's challenge, try this. Next time you reach for your phone, pause for 3 seconds and ask yourself, why am I opening this? That small pause might change more than you think. This is Ethereal Focus. Thank you for listening. And until next time, stay present, stay intentional, and take care of your mind.